Hey everyone, welcome back to Fish Hunt Northwest. We're here in the kitchen again with Chef Kelly for this week, and we have halibut.
Yes, delicious halibut. Look at how big and beautiful that.
Yeah,
I'm so
Chef,
jealous.
did you get that?
Shut up, okay?
I think that's Dwayne or Jordan. Or,
yeah.
Okay.
So today we're making a Halibut Veracruz style. So it's in a very interesting Mexican sauce that has some,
Yeah, I see some interesting ingredients for a Mexican dish.
Right, if you close your eyes and said, okay, whatever, this is,
whatever you have in your fridge.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start with our halibut. We got our pan hot, ready to go.
Okay, and I see you're using the cast iron so it can go straight in the oven. Are we putting that in the oven today too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you season this a little bit, because a lot of people go a little too light on their seasoning.
Yes. Do not be lazy when you're seasoning.
Yes, and season both sides. Okay. So, get some oil in the pan. As you can see, nice and hot. You can see it sizzling away. Always lay your fish down away from you. Okay? Don't do the dropping. That's you're never gonna beat it. I promise you.
A little less mess too.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so while that's searing away, I got a little oil in the pan. So we're gonna start with about a quarter of a yellow onion diced. Okay, about one fresh jalapeno.
Like a small size, medium size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've done a lot of research with other people, and you'll see some guys will say, "Oh, well, let's use a canned jalapeno." Yes, you can use jarred jalapenos. That's fine.
And you put some garlic in there?
Yeah, and I put about a tablespoon of garlic in there.
Okay.
So yeah, you can use some jarred jalapenos. That's fine. Just whatever's available to you.
Now, and you can't really judge a jalapeno, right? Because not until you bite into it.
Yeah, and that's one of the problems with a jalapeno. It's not a given about what heat level a jalapeno will be, because sometimes it can be like a 1 out of 10, and sometimes it'll be up there like a 3. You're going, whoa.
In the same batch that you buy.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So I got about a cup of diced canned tomatoes. And there again, there's also been a lot of controversy over, use fresh tomatoes. I've done it both ways, and I'm not really, not really sold on the whole, it's way better with the fresh tomato kind of a deal.
Okay.
So that was about a tablespoon of capers. Okay, we're going to add 2 bay leaves. This is about, we'll say 5 sliced green olives in there.
Those are those large green olives.
Yeah.
And we found some with jalapenos and garlic in them.
Right, but I mean, most of the time, the ones you're going to encounter are going to be the ones that have the pimentos in them.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Okay, we're going to add just a little bit of water just to give a little bit of liquid in there. But you can use, chicken stock or fish stock if you have it, or maybe clam juice, if you want to go that route too. So.
Okay.
Yeah. So
well, you put that in the oven at what degrees?
Do 400.
400.
And just kind of watch it.
Okay.
Okay.
And we're going to let that simmer down, Chef?
Going to let that simmer and get it all nice and good and happy.
Okay. Well, then we'll go ahead and throw it back to you guys in the studio while we do that. Yep. Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and we are finishing off this Halibut Veracruz.
Yes.
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, so if you're just joining us now, we have our halibut was in the oven We pan seared it, then we threw it in the oven, then we started our sauce, and so we just got to finish our sauce first, and then we will. Let's check on that fish here. There's a little bit of give to it still. Halibut has a little bit of a lot of water content, and so it's a little softer than other fishes.
Fishes.
So, the other fishes. And the fishes in the sea.
Fishes in the sea.
So we're gonna add a little bit extra fresh oregano, lots of parsley. This is kind of conducive of that.
Okay.
Okay. Let's pick out our bay leaves. They've done their job.
That's not a typical Mexican
ingredient either.
Spice? Yeah, no.
Yeah, I know. It's unique. That's why I was like, everybody needs to kind of see this dish for what it is.
Yeah, looks good.
Right?
Smells delicious. So unusual for you.
I know, right? Every once in a while I get lucky.
Yeah.
Add a little bit of the juice here. Okay. And then we have our fish.
I made that look pretty, didn't you?
Oh yeah. Gotta love a pan roasted
halibut. Bet it'd be even better if you had caught it yourself.
Zip it.
There's not too much I can give you a hard time about, so I'm just going to have to do that. Continue.
You gotta get your licks in when you can,
yeah,
huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just going to garnish with a little bit of parsley because we did have parsley on there. Yeah. Let's do one.
Looks great.
This time. We'll just add a little bit of fresh olive oil on top too. Just a little bit drizzle and drizzle around.
Oh.
There you go, guys. Because I don't like it when you cook extra virgin olive oil too much because it kind of loses its flavor because it's a really volatile, flavor to it. So,
how long do you think you had that halibut in the oven?
Probably 10 minutes, but it just depends on the thickness of your fillet.
All right.
Okay. So yeah, you see how beautiful that is.
Wow.
I mean, that is just restaurant quality right there, guys, and you guys have access to it here in the Pacific Northwest. Should fully on take advantage of it.
And it's halibut
Veracruz.
Veracruz.
Yes.
Okay, well, we are certainly digging in.
You can. Keto.
Yeah, I can.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. All right, well, while we do that, we will throw it back to you guys in the studio. Yes, I can.